Hello traders, it's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is February the 1st on a Thursday, and taking a look at a really ugly candle yesterday in the SPY closing on lows, pretty significant volume. We do have the 20 period moving average down here, and we do have a level of resistance. This was our kind of breakout through all-time high. Well, actually that didn't occur to this part, but anyway, you can see the level of support now. It used to be resistance, now it's support. We'll be watching that over the next couple of days, maybe. Let's take a look at some. I'm really kind of focusing on earnings plays right now. That's the good thing about when you get into a volatile market like this. You can focus on some earnings because a lot of times they will kind of ignore the market action and trade on their own. First on the list is this ALGN, gapping up pretty significant, over 8%, but right at its 200-day moving average. So I'll be watching this one maybe in the opening minutes to see if it can hold that 200-day moving average in ALGN and possibly move higher from there. RCL, something about this cruise liner just keeps motoring higher. This is gapping up to another all-time high above this December high, so definitely one to keep on the radar for sure to see if it can continue to motor through that all-time high there. CTVA is another earnings play, and it's kind of in a downtrend, but what I do like about it is this morning it's gapping up on earnings and it's breaking its downtrend. If I went back in the calendar, I'm not going to do it, but you can kind of see the downtrend there. Gapping above it could be a nice move back to its 200-day moving average over the next couple of days. So we'll watch that one for sure. CTVA. One other one that's an earnings play that this could be a short squeeze, guys, but be careful with this one. It's only 46 million in the float, but it is gapping up. It has a 30% short interest, so I'll have that on the radar just to see if we can get above 13 and try to squeeze. All right, there's a few others on the list today. That's it. Keep it tight. Be patient. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.